Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender. And hello, dogs as well. Hi, Draper. Come, come, Drape, Drape, come here. We have a special guest today, and we're going to be making something. Come here, up,
Draper.
up. This is Draper, you guys. So we're going to be actually making a special video for Draper. He loves bananas, and today we're going to be learning how to make a banana daiquiri. Please stay here with me and let me show you how we're going to be doing this bad boy. Banana daiquiri, so simple, so fast, so tasty, and sometimes very elegant if you know how to actually nail your perfect garnish for this bad boy. So we're going to start with a little bit of aged rum. In this case, we're going to be using Atlantico, which is a Dominican Republic rum. And we're going to be using 2 ounces of it. You can use any kind of a rum that you want to. Also followed by 1/2 ounce of banana liqueur. Fresh lime juice. Always fresh, you guys. Make sure you put 1 full ounce of this guy. Just like this. And you can need some Demerara syrup. Or in other case, you're going to be using some turbinado syrup. This is going to be kind of like a nice, kind of like a molasses looking, but the flavor is actually very, very tasty. It's kind of like it has like a little toasty notes on it. So that's going to increase the flavor of your cocktail. Let's go for 1/4 ounce. All right, that in. Put some ice, and let's give it a good shake. We have our nice cup ready to go, and we're going to double strain in order to get those ice chips that we don't want to ruin our cocktail. There we go. Now that we have this guy, this is actually a very simple and very cool garnish that you can do. Once you squeeze your fresh, your limes, you can actually kind of like put inside out the peel, kind of make like a little basket. You're gonna grab a baby pin, hold it together, and you can put like some edible flowers. I saw this garnish in one of the videos from another coworker, another colleague that is bartending in Mexico. But in my case, I decided to go for a little banana brulee slice. So you nail it like that, and there you have it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy your banana daiquiri, and cheers, everyone.